Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back guys. So today we are doing a look where I'm trying to attempt this soft, smoky halo look. I'm using brown and a touch of gold, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys see how I achieve this look. I'm going to insert some pictures, once I take some glam pictures and get dressed and cute, or maybe just take some pictures itself, but I'm going to insert them here. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. And again, as I've mentioned before, I'm really just focusing on the eyes, not so much the face, but soon I'm going to be coming with a more detailed face as I continue to enhance my techniques and practices. So stay tuned to see that video, but without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. I like that. To darken it out some more, we're going to go in with the Morphe 3502 palette, and we're going to go in with In My Zone to darken out the crease some more. I'm purposely leaving that little center not filled in because the halo is going to cover that portion, and I'm going to remove anything that's in the area anyway, so you don't want to try to cover the whole lid if you can avoid it. Alright guys, that's pretty much for my eyes. Let me go do my face off camera and I'll be back. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.